YouTube, it's been a while, but I'm back for October, and I've been doing some things, as you can see, with my house. First off, I've been decorating, so got some cool stuff out here. I'm definitely putting more out. I have a whole front yard to put stuff out, but that'll get there. But here is my house so far. So I have the Beetlejuice sign. This is the Beetlejuice area in front of the porch right here. I'm gonna probably shine a light on this just so you can see it better, but here's the sign and the tombstone. So that is really cool. Then here's good old Beetlejuice. Here he is, just sitting on his tombstone. He's not on right now. None of them are actually no. I have two. I have the Levitating Reaper in the cemetery. He's the only one that's on. And I'll get to that. But here's Beetlejuice. I've been keeping him out because I actually took out his control box. It was hooked up to a couple wires in the torso. I took it out, put it in my garage, and I'll probably hook it up when it gets closer to Halloween or even Halloween night in that matter. But yeah, there's Beetlejuice. Right here's Barbara and Adam. I got them on garden hooks, or shepherd hooks, as you can see, but they look really cool. And I got a green fire and ice light. You can get them at Spirit Halloween. They're really cool. I figured a green light would look good in the Beetlejuice area, so, and I like it. It looks really cool. So yeah, so I'm gonna start over here. Over here I have Freddy. This is the Jemmy one, the 2010 remake. Here he is. I have his arm wrapped around the post right here because it was a little breezy today, and he actually fell over one day because that rock did nothing. But actually it was another rock. I put that rock on him. I should say that rock did nothing, but here he is, looking creepy. So I got Freddy. And then over here's Michael. I had him on a couple nights ago. I unplugged him because he kept going off every time I would go near him. I had his music down. If you saw my video where I gave this animatronic the new mask, you know that I don't like the audio it plays. So I ended up just turning the volume down, and he looks creepier, just him silent, swinging his knife up there. So, and then you come around here, on this side's Ghostface, and he is spectacular. He is really cool. And we got a pumpkin. That's actually the popping goblin. It doesn't work, unfortunately. Maybe I could, if I tamper with it or something, maybe I could get it to work, but right now it's just a pumpkin. So I have it on the table right there. That's really cool. Side note, if you hear construction going on, it's because they're working on my street over there. So, or the road next to my street. They're doing like construction work, so I don't mind that. But yeah, if you can hear it. But there's Ghostface. Made him, by the way. Had an old prop body. I bought the 25th anniversary Scream costume. I gave him prop hands. That knife is from the Spirit store. You can get it for like, I forget how much it was. I think it might have been like $15. I forget. Someone let me know in the comments how much it is if you know. But yeah, and I just do a Ghostface mask on him, and he looks really cool. So yeah, Ghosty. Then over here is another prop I made. This is the ring girl. She looks like the ring girl. I was going for more of like a ghost girl, but the ring girl will do. Have a light shining on her. She looks really creepy out here. She's really cool. And then this is actually Regan. I have her up on a table with a cloth because it looks like she's in a bed. She's really cool. I got a strobe light on her, so she looks creepy out here with the strobe on her. She's really cool. That's the Rising Regan that Spirit sold way back. Again, it doesn't work. The motor wore out, so I just use it as a prop, but it still looks pretty freaking cool. Then over here is the Wicked Witch. She's really cool. I got her another broomstick. The other one I lost the pieces to, but this broomstick's fine. So here she is with a light on her. Also got a red light over here, a red floodlight shining on this side of the house, and that looks really cool. So yeah. And if you come over here, I have the zombie apocalypse scene. My zombies. Here is the lurching zombie. Doesn't work. Got him broken at Spirit way back. Another thing, broken girl. Turned her into a zombie because she doesn't work. The stuff I have out here, basically, except Beetlejuice, Michael Myers, and Freddy, it doesn't work. It just gave up. I mean, like I said, if I play with them or whatever, tamper with them, I could fix them, but I just don't have the time, and I think they look fine as props. So, then here's the Axe Zombie. This is a static prop. The Spirit sold this a couple years ago, and he's really freaking cool. So, there he is. And then, here's Smoldering Zombie. He's a prop, so he's really cool with that red light shining on him. And then I got a zombie behind him, the Arrowhead Zombie. That's really popular. You can get that at Spirit, actually. So, yeah, really cool. But yeah, this is my zombie apocalypse scene right now. So this is really cool. Really cool looking area over here. So, alright, so this is one of the best parts, actually. I have a giant skull head up there. But this is actually one of the best parts of my display so far. Well, first off, let's start with this guy. Inferno! Here he is. Doing his thing. Lighting up, blinking. He's really freaking cool out here. I got a floodlight on him. Purple to be exact, and he's really cool. He just blinks and does his thing. Looks creepy. Now over here is my cemetery. I actually had this. This is the archway I made. If you guys want, you can go back and watch a video on how I made the sign, and then the pillars, basically the whole archway. I think there's 2 parts to it, so yeah. But here are the gargoyles in front. I got those from Home Depot last season. I think they were like 70 bucks a piece. They're great. They fit perfectly for this, so they're really cool. And I got some fencing too, just some garden fencing. I believe I got that at Lowe's. So yeah. But there's going to be way more out here. Like I said, this isn't done yet. Once I get closer to Halloween, I'll have all my working animatronics out here. And I'll have Gravedigger right here. I'll have a bunch of animatronics in this section. Same thing with the front yard. But yeah. So, alright, now we've entered the cemetery. So, here's the cemetery. All my tombstones. Zombie friend. So let's start over here. So Again, another prop that just doesn't work anymore, sadly, but he looks creepy as a prop. Sickening Reaper. He's really cool out here. So before I move forward, I actually have a color changing floodlight up here that I had a floodlight holder up top on that house, and I just put in a floodlight that changes color, and it lights up this whole damn area over here, and it looks freaking fantastic. It looks pretty creepy. So yeah. So here's Sickening Reaper. Then right here is actually the new gargoyle that Home Depot came out with this year. It's like the bone gargoyle. I really loved it when I saw it, and they had 2 of them. I didn't get both of them because I already have 2 gargoyles in my archway, but I thought one of them's fine. It looks creepy enough out here, and I love the red lights on him. So he's really cool. He's big too. He's like 5 feet, about that, really, 6 or 5 feet, but he's really cool, especially at night when he's lit up and he's all red. So he's really cool. Then over here this is an old guy. This is the Shadow Stalker. I've had him forever. Spirit sold him, I think 2011. Spirit sold him. He was the zombie that was holding on the zombie bait in the zombie wasteland. He's a static, so he can just chill out here. He looks creepy in the cemetery, so I like him. And then I got some more tombstone. That's another Home Depot tombstone right there, the Reaper with the hourglass. That's pretty cool. And then over here again, another prop that just gave up. But I take advantage of it. I use them as props. I can actually take them outside and just have them look creepy. These are the Double Trouble twins. I think from 2018 when Spirit had the farmhouse. And here they are. And they look creepy as hell in the cemetery just looking at you. They are really freaking cool. I made a new base for them, as you can tell. It's a wooden base because I hated their old base. It fell apart constantly and it was made like crap, and it did not hold them up whatsoever. So I just made a new base for them, but they are really freaking creepy out here. So over here, now this is funny. So I have a coffin. Here's my shed. I'm gonna actually turn that into something. You'll see what I'm gonna do with that. Just stay tuned. But here is my coffin, and if you open it, hold on. I don't think you can see them good. Nah, you can't. Damn it. I should go get a flashlight. It's all right. But I have a skeleton in there. It's a corpse skeleton that I corpsed actually using like that clear sheeting, a heat gun, stain. It looks really cool in the coffin. So when people come in or whatever, I'll just open the coffin and be like, hey, my dead friend. But yeah, I got my coffin out here with my skeleton inside. Another tombstone. And then right here, as you guys saw from my beam sensor video, I have, there he goes. I don't have him hooked up to the beam sensor. He's just on sensor right now, but he went off. So this prop is great too. It's been holding up really well. So I got him on the red color right now. He looks really cool in the red. I'm gonna keep it like that. I was gonna put him on blue, but I like him on red. He's really awesome. Here's another Home Depot tombstone right here that I thought was really cool. So now that's an older guy from way back. Spirit sold him, the groundbreaking zombie. He's cool. So yeah, there's my levitating Reaper. And This is the rest of the cemetery. Like I said, this is nowhere near complete. Once I have all my animatronics out here and more props and lighting and yada yada, it'll look really freaking cool. So yeah, but yeah, so step out of the cemetery. There's my house over there. But yeah, I know I kind of took a couple week hiatus, but with work and everything, and I've been actually doing this too, setting stuff up, but it's coming out good. And if, by the way, if you see ropes, that's just to hold the archway up from wind. I have rocks and better security on it too, don't get me wrong, but that's just to make it sturdy, so don't mind that. But I'm really loving how this is coming out. The cemetery looks freaking awesome. Here's my pumpkin. And then over here, I can't really see it good because I need to get a light over here. But you can probably see it fine right here. Right here is my cauldron, my tripod cauldron. I got this from Home Depot. And then, you can't really see her well, but it's my witch, my hag that I made. In my swamp hag build, if you go and watch that, it's like a quick little video of me making her, but yeah, she's over here. So, like I said, I gotta shine a light up on her. I haven't done it yet. I will, but yeah. So, but yeah, this is my house so far, guys, and it's turning out really good. It looks really cool. I love the lighting for sure. So yeah, there's the levitating reaper. He looks so awesome with the red lights. He's really freaking cool. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You can turn on the bell whenever you get a notification whenever I upload. And yeah, like I said, I'm definitely going to be making more videos. I'll give you guys updates on this. And then once it's completed, I can't wait for that. I'm going to have stuff out here. I'll have lights and animatronics out in the front yard. I have more stuff in the cemetery, more stuff up on the front of the house too. So it's coming along. It looks really cool. So, but yeah, God, that construction's loud. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, rate, comment, all that fun stuff. I'll see you guys later. Say bye, Inferno.